Hello, and welcome to Pendulum Divining and Dowsing with Lyman Holton. This is the pendulum I'm going to be using today, and I'll give you a close-up of it here.
This is a natural blue Amazonite gemstone. If you were to use it for therapy, it's considered to be good for body health and emotional health. Down here, it's translucent. That means light filters through it. If you hold it in front of a bright light, you'll see the light coming through it. Here, where it's much thicker, it's what we call opaque. That means light does not filter through it. So here we have the natural blue Amazonite gemstone. Compare that, when we talk about translucent, to my trusty old smoky crystal. Okay, it is translucent, but more light can flow through it. But it isn't clear, so it's translucent. And we compare this to a clear quartz crystal, which is called transparent because the light isn't filtered, it goes through freely, similar to how it does through a window in your home, right? Okay, translucent, transparent.
Now, I want to ask a question of the pendulum in regards to the coronavirus, the novel coronavirus 19, COVID-19. What I want to know is, was the virus man-made, or was it a virus that came about naturally, as other viruses have in the past? There's controversy over whether it's man-made or not, because it's believed to have come from Wuhan, China, where they have a lab where they work on things such as viruses. So anyways, is the novel coronavirus 19 a man-made virus? Okay, I have the counterclockwise motion, which means yes for me. So, according to the pendulum, yes, it is a man-made virus. Now, we can double check. Is the novel coronavirus 19 a naturally occurring virus? Okay, and there we get a clockwise motion, meaning no. So according to the pendulum, no, it is not a naturally occurring virus. Yes, it is a man-made virus. Okay, so you take that for what it's worth, but try it yourself. Okay, see what you get for an answer. And if you can, please put it in the comment section below. It'd be interesting for everyone to read. All right. Now, something else I wanted to point out about the pendulum. Many people find it useful to use their opposite hand. Like I'm left-handed, so I hold mine with my left hand, but it's whatever works for you. But if you take your opposite hand and go palm up and hold your pendulum over it and ask the questions, for example, show me yes. Okay. Show me no. Okay, so the idea here is that you have energy from the palm of your hand coming up, which works in support of the pendulum's motion. It is of it answering your question. Something for you to experiment with if you'd like to. Okay, that's it for this video, and I'll get back to you with another one just as soon as I can. Bye for now.